Okay, here we are, load testing, new front floor battery, forward module. Got the team here. They're gonna walk us through what's going on here. Eventually the lid will be put on this battery and we'll integrate it into the van, into the floor. That's what it looks like when it's built. Okay, Isaac, tell us what's going on here.
So right now we're doing a battery load test with some furnaces. Right now they're reaching about 370 amps.
Okay, so what's this crazy contraption here?
Basically, it's just a bunch of heating elements just wired together on these 4 switches. Each switch is with 6 heating elements, so every 3 heating elements is 100 amps. No, sorry, 50 amps. So every 6 is 100. So therefore we have about 400 amps, but I don't think it reaches 400 amps. Or at least that's what the amp meter says. So.
Okay, this is all running at 12 volts, right?
All running with 12 volts.
So do you know why we use 12 volts?
Why we use 12 volts?
Yeah.
Because that's what the van.
Yeah, it's because the air conditioner is the biggest load, and it's 12 volts. That's why. So we don't have to do any conversions. And so, what's this device you have in your hand, and what's it telling us?
This is a thermal reader.
Yeah, thermal camera.
Thermal camera. Yeah, just telling us like where's the hottest parts, what wires get hot, if it gets hot. We don't want it to go above 200 degrees. That's our main concern right now.
Okay, what happens at 200 degrees? Why we want to keep it below that?
Well, if we go above 200 degrees, wires get too hot and it can melt. Stuff can melt.
Yeah, bad things can happen.
Yeah, bad things can happen.
Let's see. So we got bus bars. Everything's. It looks like it's running good. How long's the test been running for right now?
Now about 12 minutes. 12 minutes.
Yeah, so we've been pulling 400 amps for 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do we think? Is this is a good test?
So
Shows it's going to work?
It hasn't gone above 140 degrees. So I'd say it's going good so far. Yeah.
Okay, great.